On this new short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now on this page, all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this. Scroll and then search for Facebook, click on it, click on this force stop here, click on data usage and make sure to enable all the options right here. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and now click on the power usage details, click on force stop, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.